Welcome back to our YouTube channel, Crypto Richest. Digital currency has become an integral part of today's finances. Though there was some backlash at its inception, cryptocurrencies stood the test of time. The fact that the total value of cryptocurrency today is around $1.04 trillion says a lot about how they are in serious competition with fiat currency. When it comes to cryptocurrency, we often go to Bitcoin and Ether, which are pretty popular. However, they have been in the market for some time, and a lot of other cryptocurrencies are being developed since and are gaining global recognition. One such latest cryptocurrency is Solana. Though the name might be a little unfamiliar to a lot, Solana is the new talk of the town. So, without any further ado, let's dive into the video and find out what the buzz about Solana is all about. What is Solana? Solana is a decentralized platform that was first proposed in 2017 by Anatoly Yakovenko. But it was launched in March 2020. It is an open-source project that is currently based in Geneva and is run by the Solana Foundation. The whole purpose of Solana is to make crypto payments as fast as possible. As of today, Solana is one of the fastest token-based platforms out there. This is the primary reason why Solana has attracted people's attention lately. Another reason why Solana has gained its current reputation is its lower transaction fees when compared to its rivals like Ethereum. But how can Solana achieve this better than its rivals? For starters, Solana uses proof-of-history methodology in its operations, unlike Ethereum, which uses proof-of-stake. When it comes to proof-of-stake or proof-of-work models, they are mostly focused on energy usage or participants' validation. However, when the transactions are made globally, the time zones in which they are being transferred are varied. This raises certain difficulties in speeding up the transactions. This is where the proof of history comes into play. Here, a timestamp is made while making transactions and it is stored in the blockchain. This proved to be very efficient in making the transactions with tremendous speed and, more importantly, with much more accuracy. The blocks of data are recorded by the validators depending on their timestamps. These timestamps are used to accept or reject the transactions by both parties, making them more time efficient. Though this cryptocurrency is relatively new, there are already 426 million SOLs in circulation. Solana competes with big players like Bitcoin and is doing well so far. But their biggest rival is Ethereum. This is because Bitcoins have a fixed circulation of 21 million. But Ethereum has an unlimited supply. In recent reports, it is stated that Ethereum is going to surpass Bitcoin in a very short time. So, Solana is more focused on Ethereum, and rightfully so. Hence, they are using the same methodology to keep out in the crypto market as that of Ethereum. That is using use case for developing their platform. Use case will enable them to identify and organize their platform and their traffic according to their goal. The current goal of Solana is to make global payments as quickly as possible, and this goal can only be achieved by use case. Ethereum is already using use case on its platform and is doing quite well. Given the recent numbers, Solana is also doing incredible, and all thanks to use case. We all know cryptocurrency has redefined how we perceive money and our finances, but we often overlook a lot of potential cryptocurrencies trying to get into major leagues at the earliest. But once we go down the rabbit hole and analyze the facts, we can find cryptocurrencies with the same potential, if not more than the popular ones like Solana. Solana is already entering the mainstream of cryptocurrencies, and it is going to surpass a lot of others quite soon. That's it for today, guys. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, Crypto Richest.